You may have heard of the 1.5 degrees Celsius target, but what is it actually and why is it so important? In this three-part series, we'll unpack the goal. At COP21, the United Nations 2015 Conference on Climate Change, 195 member states signed the Paris Agreement, which set a goal of limiting the global mean surface temperature anomaly to a rise of 1.5 degrees Celsius, or 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit, in comparison to the pre-industrial baseline years of 1850 to 1900. According to NOAA's dataset, which goes back to 1850, the average global surface temperature between 1850 and 1900 was 13.7 degrees Celsius, or 56.7 degrees Fahrenheit. This means the Paris Agreement aims to limit the global surface temperature rise to 15.2 degrees Celsius, or 59.4 degrees Fahrenheit. But what is a temperature anomaly? And how do climate scientists measure the global mean surface temperature, or GMST, of the whole planet? To measure surface temperature on land, there are thousands of weather stations located all over the world. To measure surface temperature on the ocean, scientists utilize ships and buoys. For climate record purposes, these technologies report what's called the global surface temperature anomaly. The global mean surface temperature anomaly is measured by calculating the difference between the mean annual temperatures of all of the surface temperature data points and the mean pre-industrial baseline temperatures. Despite the daily, seasonal, and regional temperature swings, the anomaly methodology allows scientists to track the GMST more accurately for long-term global warming trends to determine whether the 1.5 degree target has been surpassed. In 2024, the World Meteorological Organization reported that the global mean surface temperature anomaly was 1.55 degrees Celsius, or 2.79 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the first year to exceed the 1.5 degrees Celsius target. Also, in 2024, the global mean surface temperature was 15.2 degrees Celsius, or 59.4 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the warmest year on record. Despite exceeding the 1.5 degrees Celsius anomaly in 2024, the goal isn't breached. Scientists define surpassing as exceeding the 1.5 degrees Celsius goal for at least 20 years. However, the breach does highlight the urgency for climate action. Stay tuned for part 2 of our 1.5 degrees Celsius series.